How to turn off or on tips and tricks notifications on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on tips and tricks notifications on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and then go down and click settings, and now click notifications, and then all you need to do is just find this one here, tips and tricks, and if you want to turn it off just click on it, and as you see tips and tricks has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again just one click. And that's how to turn off or on tips and tricks notifications on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.